Rolling shutters are prone to deformation and damage in strong wind conditions, which affects their use. Ordinary garages are too low and the door lintel height is not enough, and it is difficult to solve the problem of weak strength for large opening villa garages. This side-sliding garage door is designed specifically for garages with restricted height and wide openings, meeting the requirements of large openings while ensuring safety and strength. The side-sliding single door width is less than or equal to 6 meters, double door width is less than or equal to 12 meters. The top installation space is small, and the door lintel height is only 12 centimeters. The design of the side-sliding door panel runs along the two side walls, leaving the garage ceiling and other walls empty, greatly avoiding the occupation of garage space. Convenient operation. It supports control by wall switches and wireless remote control, and also has excellent performance such as flexible start and stop and obstacle detection. The side-sliding garage door adopts a unified installation standard, with each step standardized, allowing every user to be reassured.